out there, it's me again. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a high bun on natural hair. This video is highly requested because a lot of you guys have been asking me how do I do my high buns and all that, or how do I get it so big, and I'm going to show you how to today. I'm sure it looks like, oh, you have to have this bun sock or whatever to do it. No, that's not how I do it. Excuse Tristan, he's in the background having fun. But no, that's not it. So today I'm going to show you an easy and quick way on how to do it, especially with short hair or medium length hair like I have. So you guys can see, I have on my Blessed sweatshirt that is from my t-shirt shop. If you don't know, I have my own t-shirt shop. The link will be in the description box if you are interested in getting you one. There are ones for kids, for adults, for whoever. There's one for you out there. Since I'm getting the hang of the t-shirt designing thing, I'm thinking about changing the font or changing how it looks, and also changing the looks of some of the things that I have in my shop. So stay tuned for that, because I can't wait for you guys to see the new and improved stuff that I'm going to have in my shop coming soon, and also 2019. So enough of that, let's hop into this video, shall we? So I like to take a pick or wide tooth comb to stretch out my hair, because the more you stretch it, the bigger the bun is. So also I highly recommend doing this on dry past day 2 hair to make it look bigger, because if you do it too soon, you're not going to get the full effect. It's so weird using a pick, but okay. So yeah, you want to stretch it out as big as possible, because it makes the bun look so much bigger. All right, so I think we're good to go. You definitely want to make sure your ends are stretched out as well. You have 3 options. You can either go without any, gel right here or any creams. You can put the cream on first, the gel on, then slide it up, or you can do it after you put the bun. Most times I don't like to put cream or gel, because like I said, it's just a go-to style, so I just go as is. But for this case, because I want my edges to be laid, okay, I used to use Eco Styler, but for one, I don't have it anymore. I actually need to go and get some more, but it's just been a while since I've used it. I've been using this because I feel like it slicks down 4C hair a lot better, and that is key. Okay. I want to use a brush to smooth it out. So another thing that makes this process a lot easier is using a scrunchie that is not wide. They have the ones that are like really small, they have these average ones, and then they have the ones that are big. So when I use the big ones, I usually fold those in half and then I put it around my hair. But in this case, I was able to find these, and these work just as good, okay? So you just stretch it over your head. Be careful now, don't get your makeup messed up, because you will, because if this touches your face, it will mess with your makeup, trust. I like to start from the back because I feel like it pushes everything to the front, and then I like to hold the front so that way my high bun is at the top of my head. Okay, and then boom. All right, so here's where the magic happens, okay? So y'all gotta pay attention, just watch me, okay? So like I said, I don't use a sock, and I don't use anything to stuff my bun. All I do is tuck and pin, and I'm gonna show you how. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to kind of take everything and just tuck it in the middle. So here, kind of form the bun by kind of rolling it together. And then I make sure everything is tucked. All right, so once you have it to the size that you will like, just kind of go over it to make sure everything looks Gucci. All right. I like to use long bobby pins because I feel like it grasps everything. What I'm doing is just pin in the middle, and most times 1 will do, but in this case I'm just gonna go ahead and thug it out and put 2 in the hole. that is it, you guys. That is my simple and easy way of doing my high buns. Okay, bummer part, you have to be careful because you don't want it to look weird like that. So I'm gonna go back and fix that. Yeah, he's a mama's boy. So it's very simple and very easy. And then once I'm done, I just take my good old edge control. So right now I've been using the Nature's Perfect Edge Black.